Hi, my name is Commander Bheem Reddy. I am the founder and chief executive officer of the Hacker Central. We are an EdTech company focused on cybersecurity and blockchain. We have been in the business for just about 1 year and have found a lot of success in training a lot of people, almost 300 people, including up to 50 Indian Armed Forces officers. I've served in the Indian Navy for about 22 years. I was born and brought up here in Hyderabad. After my 12th, I left and I joined the Navy. And I was there for good about 22 years. And during the tenure, I developed teams in IT and also cybersecurity. During this entire time, we realized that this is one area where there is a lot of gap in development of skills, and there are no proper education available in this particular field. For example, during my tenure in the armed forces, when we had to develop teams, we had to depend on Americans to develop our teams, and the quality education was not available in any of the universities out here. So I took up the responsibility once I came out of the Navy to make this happen. And we have focused very much on building skills rather than just about classroom education. For example, let me tell you, if a pilot has to learn how to fly, he can sit in the classroom for any amount of time and can go through everything about aircraft. But till the time he sits on the simulator and practices, he will never be a pilot, right? So cybersecurity profession is also something like that. You can learn as much in the classroom, but if you practice in a simulated environment, that is the best way to learn. So what we are doing differently is to develop this kind of a platform, bring world-class cyber range simulators to the Indian market and train our people in a simulated environment and make them the best cybersecurity professional that you can have. Okay, delivering quality education, especially in higher education and also specialized field like cybersecurity, blockchain, artificial intelligence, it requires to bring a good educational institutions. At the same time, it takes a lot of professionals from the industry to bring them together at one stage. What we are doing in this process is to tie up with a lot of universities and also get professionals from the industry to come and teach. For example, we are delivering EdTech course in MIT ADT University in Pune. For this, the EdTech program was completely changed and made it into a work integrated program. And the people who are delivering are the professionals from companies like Google, IBM, and Wipro. As part of our education programs, we train individuals, working professionals or students, and the corporates also. We help build teams within the security teams to the corporates. So if you're an individual, right, if you're a working professional or a student, you can reach out to us at hackercentral.in or ofdef.com, OFFDEF.com. There are a lot of programs. If you aspire to have a wonderful career in cybersecurity, we are here for you to prepare you to be industry ready and take on the jobs from day one.